like this. Ain't no difference on me, molded lies with my thoughts. Praise the most high for protection over my most prized possession. Talking about mine. Stand on these at a 6.7. Turning out point seconds. My dad on me, mom's praying they feel better. My gift ship right in my business. My gift ship shit.
We're first gonna start with this all-in-one primer and moisturizer by Bobbi Brown, and I've been using this ever since I got it, and I've always, you know, restock on it because I just love it that much. And we're gonna do our brows. These are the two items I use to do my brows, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows and we shall be back. We're gonna go with our Yummy Water Powder Serum. Okay, so all you gotta do is tap at the bottom and then it comes out. But I'm just gonna put it all over my face.
With you right now, but the truth I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss?
We're gonna let it dry a little bit, and then once it's dry, we're gonna go ahead and go in with our Universal Blurring Balm Powder. Again, I have the mini one. Anyways, I have the mini one here. This is what it looks like. They have two different ones, but this is what the blurring powder looks, blurring balm looks like. So we'll put that on after. I just put a little bit right here. This is what it looks like. Rub it and put it all over my face.
You made one. Just take this argument back up to my place.
Of course, what you have to do, you want to make sure that you let the products, you know, marinate. Marinate on your face, child. Okay. Last but not least, I'm gonna use my oil sucker. One Size Beauty oil sucker. I like to shake it up. This is like milk of magnesia, except it's supposed to be used for your face. So this will definitely suck everything. But with these three items combined, oh baby, your makeup is not going anywhere. I wore makeup yesterday. It rained on my face. Of course, I dabbed where it was raining, but my face looked like I just had my makeup on. Like it stays on all day. A little bit goes a long way. But I just put this much on, right? And then I'm gonna see. Then put a little bit on my forehead. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, so once this sets, I usually do mine the other way around, but I'm trying out this way. So really the glue that holds it all together once it's set is me using the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Tint. This right here, this is the secret, okay? I don't even use foundation like that anymore, but if you want to use foundation, you can. You could use this and then put a little bit of foundation on top. But this is, I've hit pan. I've hit pan. Do you see this? I've hit pan. Okay, I just love this product right here. I'm gonna put this all over my face once this dries down. All right, so we have the little spoon thing, and what I just do, I just scrape it, all right, and put it all over my face. And when I tell y'all, this is like perfect for the summertime if you're not trying to wear like foundation on your face. But if you want to put foundation, you can. You put more or less depending on how you feel. Once I do that, I'm gonna spray my foundation brush that I need to wash with my Makeup Revolution holding spray. And then baby, we're just gonna blend it out, okay? And then continue with the rest of our face.
I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do.
So this is what our face is looking like once we have put our Danessa Myricks Skin Tint. I'm in the shade 9.5. Now for today, I did go ahead and put like half of a pump of the one size. I'm in the shade 35, which is deepest, and I just put a little bit on my forehead, and I mean just like the smidges, like the smallest little dot you could think of, and I just use that to blend it. This is what the face is giving. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face. I might show it, I might not, and then we'll come back with the final look.
You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and on the main one flying? Are you blaming on me? You're the main one lying. Are you trying to leave it on the main one flying? Just trying to be you everything. Main one right. Are you frontin' on me and on the main one flying? Are you blaming on me? You're the main one lying. Are you playing the deep and on the main one flying?
Lose when I'm with you. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it all, and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not. Long as you joking out here for me, I ain't got it. I been scheming, looting, hide your body. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. Face. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Last habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Underground when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. Nobody do body like you.
So this is what our makeup is giving. This is what our makeup is giving. Come through skin. Come through skin. Come through makeup. Okay, makeup. This is what our face is looking like, final product. I finished my makeup around 3 o'clock. It's like 4:56, almost 5 o'clock. So we're gonna go throughout the whole day with the makeup, and I'll check back in with you. But so far, like, there is no oil seeping through. My skin is skinning, like, you know, like I'm not shining, I'm not hot. Mind you, I curled my hair with this heat, and it was, my face did not break not one sweat. So, and you know, it's hot outside in Florida, so I'm going to go outside and just check in with you. But yeah, so far this is what it's giving. Of course, the only thing that's gonna go is gonna be my lips if I end up eating it, but for the most part my face is going to stay as is. But I'll definitely be checking in and putting those clips in there so y'all can see when you combined. Let me get the products. Really and truly, the products I've been using to make sure like my face stays like matte and stays on all day, and I don't break a sweat, and I don't have to do any reapplications, which is crazy to me. I don't know if it matters which one you use first, but I usually go in with the blurring balm powder, the universal one here, and then I use the water powder serum, right? And I usually just use these two, but I saw online that you have to add this bad boy to it, which is the one size, and I added that yesterday, and let me tell you, my face did not move. It did not move, but a little bit of this oil sucker goes a long way, so please be mindful of that. And again, I don't wear foundation that much anymore because this is like a skin tint. I am in the shade 9.5. I could go down, I could go to 10. I think 9.5 is fine. Literally, this has been my combo. I used to get compliments like here and there, but when I tell you, people ask, literally I'm not like, I've had like 2 or 3 or 4 people ask me like, do you do makeup professionally? No. Or they ask me, what do you use to make your makeup? Like it hasn't budged. Like you moved around, you did all of that, it did not budge. And I'm like, this is what I've been using, and it really has worked. Again, this is only my second time using this, so if you don't have the one size oil sucker, but you have the Danessa Myricks, the water powder serum, and the blurring balm powder, and the skin tint, your makeup ain't going nowhere. I promise you, it's not going nowhere. And if you add this in there, baby, you could sleep with your makeup on and wake up and your face will still be there. That's how good this combo is. So I'll check in later and give you guys a final update. At 7:30, 8 o'clock. Why did my hair poof up like this? It's so embarrassing. Alright, so it is 9:54, just about 10 o'clock at night. I've had this makeup on since about 3 o'clock. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is that, like 7 hours or so, right? And this is what my face is giving. Lips are gone, child. Lips been gone, okay? And I got me some boba tea. Oh, baby, gonna go down. And I'm about to watch Love Island. It's going down. But I just wanted to show you guys, I use a little bit too much of the oil, what is it called, the one size oil sucker. Now, like I've been telling y'all, and I'm gonna insert a picture, when I did my makeup yesterday, I got rained on and everything. I just took this as a picture, no filter. I had nothing on my face, like literally my face stayed just about the same. Only thing is today I use a little bit too much of the oil sucker, so I would recommend not even using that much, just a little bit. Rub it over your hands and put it in the areas where you didn't put the other stuff, like the powder serum and the balm, okay, like that. I am not oily. When I tell you I don't need a touch up, I don't need nothing. It looks like I just did my makeup. I would usually be oily crazy around here, and my forehead, and down here would be like oil seeping through. But with this new method, when I tell you like I don't sweat and my makeup does not move, my makeup, it doesn't move, okay? That's pretty much it. I think I talked my stuff enough. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl. Put God first and you will never be last, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.
Used to being used like this. Ain't no difference on me more